Welcome back, guys. It's been a while I've done a video, and today we have this board here. Came in for repair. I can't remember what was the issue with this board, but what was told to me, these capacitors here was replaced, but I believe it's something wrong with the board. I can't remember exactly, so we're gonna find out here together. Alright, so I'm gonna plug in the board here, and let's see what's going on with this board. I heard a spark, and there is no standby light. So yeah, no standby. So more than likely the board is dead. Okay, processor is cold. So let's see if I'm getting any power. Let's see if you're getting 12 volts, and no 12 volts. Okay, what I will check next is to see if I'm getting any pulse from the PWM IC. So it's from the optocoupler, and yes, seeing that there, how the voltage is flickering, it's not steady. Alright, so there's something wrong with this section here. So the PWM IC is underneath this shield. So I'm going to take this shield off, and I'm going to do some measurements and see if the IC is bad, other components probably blown. So once that area is affected, you wouldn't get any 12 volts. Let's check. Okay, so the shield is out, and let's investigate. Alright, so I'm just looking around. If you can't see anything that is obvious. So far, everything looks good. But let's do some testing. The first thing I want to do is test resistors. I believe I can do a split screen. Hold on. Let me do a split screen. Alright, so now we can view alright, so let's see. So this is good, this resistor is good. How about this one here? This is also good. And now I like to test around the PWM IC. This IC here. Check resistors. This is good. Sorry. This is also good. This is good. So far, so good. This is good. And this is good as well. I've never really seen these go, but I will check. These are good. To get a proper reading, you can remove them. Let me check this 10K resistor here. Okay. I'm getting 150.7 ohms. This is good. This is good. This is good. 100 ohms. This is good. Okay, so everything looks okay. So I believe the problem could just be the IC. Let me check these diodes here. Good. This is good. 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 Just flip the probes. And these are good. Check for shorts on the capacitor here. No shorts. Alright, so I believe our problem could just be the IC. But before I move on to that, let me check the MOSFET. Diode mode. Let's see if it's switching. Can't see it there. It's good. Let's see if it's switching. It is switching. And it's holding. Sometimes I've seen this leak down and on switch. Okay, so this is good. So more than likely it is just the IC. So let's get straight to that. For those who are into this type of repair, in Trinidad and Tobago of course, and you are looking for these IC we have on sale, so you can always contact us. Where's pin 1? Alright, I need to see where pin 1 is. Okay, pin 1 is to the bottom. Refocus. Alright. So now let me just clean the area. It's still a bit hot, but that's okay. Don't like how this pin is looking. Let me just touch up on it. Put a little flux again. What I really like to do is just put the MOSFET in case there are other problems. You wouldn't have to remove the whole shield. So let me just remove the MOSFET. Alright, so MOSFET is there, so we can test. Alright, DC voltage, and let's test whether we get any standby voltage. Yes, yes, we have standby. Okay, so let me mount the, before I do that, let me just test, but we have standby. And now we have 12.10 volts. Okay, great. So let me install the parts properly now. I will need to put some fresh heatsink paste because this one is hard like a rock. Okay, so let me get that together. Okay, so everything is put back together. The shield is back on with the MOSFETs, and let's test. Alright, so we have standby, and let's look on the screen across there. I'm gonna hit power, green. It is a Magnum. Okay, the picture is upside down, but that's okay. Alright, so we are good to go. Alright, so this was another successful repair. Okay, so the only problem was the power management chip, this little chip here, and by replacing that we fix the board. Okay, so thanks again for watching. Hope you like and subscribe to the channel, and look forward for more videos.